In today's video, I'm going to be doing another pour with my split cup with the 3 slots. I have 3 different colors that I'm going to be using. I have black, Pyrrole red, and a gold. The black and the Pyrrole red are mixed with the Sargent Art Gloss medium and some water. I'm keeping my paint mixtures slightly thicker so that my rings in my pour will be nice and defined. The gold paint that I'm using is a pre-mixed paint, so I have not added any mediums to this paint. And my cup holds, I believe, 4 ounces of paint, so quite a bit. And I'm working on a 14-inch by 18-inch canvas. I'm starting out by just putting a base coat of black paint down. Having the base coat helps the rest of your paint move better and more evenly across your surface when you're tilting. I'm just taking each of my colors and pouring them in the individual slots. I'm separating out. I'm not using the same color every single time that I pour, so I have just the layers of red, black, and gold in there. From here, I'm moving my hand in a back and forward motion and just pouring the paint. It's similar to a tree ring pour, but I'm not moving in a full circle. With the way that I'm moving right now, I create a lot of different striations in the paint, and I also have my canvas propped up on 2 cups, so as I'm pouring, the propped up canvas will naturally have the paint move in a diagonal angle. Once I'm done pouring, I just let the paint move on its own a little bit before I started tilting. I also added a little bit more black paint to the canvas just so that I'd have enough on the surface to help the rest of the paint move. While I was tilting, I wanted to pull out those striations so that you could see the lines in between all 3 of the colors. but I was also trying to make sure that I could leave some of the black negative space so that there was some really nice contrast between the black, red, and gold against the black background. I decided to leave it as is. I like the way that it looks all tilted out, and it looks great against that black background.